Okay. Confession time. Huh. I have been working from home from last 6 years, but I ended up finding some coolest hidden jungle hikes around NCR. Indeed, because why to sit in the traffic or why to sit in the home while and when you can actually sit on a rock in nature and just chill around, right? And do your work from home. And if you're a biker who don't likes to go little vroom vroom before getting, little zoom zoom hike into the woods. And if you're like this video is one for you. So this one's called Dry River Pet Trail. Sounds like the Gobi Desert, isn't? But no. It's in NCR only and it's a 2 hours hike. It's a medium level, you can say. You will need a proper shoes, some water, and mental strength to not to carry when you realize that there is no river, right? So what will be perfect? Perfect for morning rides. You have to ride to the trail, and you have to start an early morning walk. Otherwise, the sun will roast you. Park the bike and hike it. What you can expect: rocky paths, open skies, and the occasional "Oh my God, what I'm doing here" moment. Yes, great. You will get a great cardio and 0% snakes and 90% vibes. So next is Rathod Trail. Rathod Trail is like real deal. It's a 3.5 hours of climbing, slipping, maybe mild crying as well. But everything is worth it. You will feel like Ranveer saying in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, except with no Spain, no diving, and a lot of sweat. If you are riding from Delhi, leave IE. If you ride like ADV, perfect. If you're riding a Dominar or Himalaya or ADV, that will be great actually. And you have to take one more person actually with you who can pretend to know directions because the trails are wild as fuck. Also, wear hiking shoes. If you have a riding shoes like a hiking shoes as well, that will be great. But not your sneakers from 2011 because you will thank me later. So, next is Panikot trains. So, Panikot sounds like a hill station, but it's actually right here. Hidden gem style. This trail gives you a little bit of jungle, a little bit of hill, and a lot of chances to click fake trekking photos for Instagram. It's best for those who wants to get a semi-challenging hike without the full-on boot camp adventures. Also, low crowd and you can actually hear the birds and your own bad decisions as well through echoing the trees like कौन से कपड़े निकालूं कौन से कपड़े निकालूं चलो छोड़ो पप्पे पहले मैं आप लोगों को बताती हूँ कि नेक्स्ट क्या है नेक्स्ट इज मंगार ट्रेल if trails have personalities, Mangar would be the chillest one. Introverted friend who reads Murakami and feeds stray dogs. It's a smooth 3 hour walk actually. Forest feels, zero stress. Perfect if you are hungover, but still want to do a smooth something productive. Also a great for solo hikers. But please don't do stupidity. Inform someone before you vanish into the jungle like Bear Grylls. And please don't tell it to my mom that I'm suggesting you. You can take one beer bottle as well. No, beer can. And please don't forget to bring that empty beer can with you in your bag. Okay. Thank me later. तो फाइनली मेरे कपड़े मिल गए जो कि मैंने वॉशिंग मशीन में डाल रखे थे, बट वॉशिंग मशीन चलाना पड़ेगा. But just leave it. I should tell you the next trail. Next trail is Ghata Trail. Ghata Trail is perfect for lady adventures. It will be 2 to 3 hours trail, slightly up and slightly down, but mostly chill. So what do you have to do basically? Ride to the edge, park your bike somewhere shady and safe. Take your keys out from your bike, check the handle lock, and just hike in. You will see greenery, nice open spots to sit, and if you are lucky, a very judgmental langur will come and see you high. Okay. I like to call this the Netflix of trails because it's one of the low effort but with the high reward while washing my clothes. I have just planned your next adventure. Like for 5 weekends? Please thank me with likes, comment, or just parcel me some aloo ka paratha. And if you go to any of these trails, please don't forget to tag me on the Instagram. It's vujoy.official. Or you can just ask me. I will go with you to chill around these locations, and I will pretend to be your fitness motivation while eating, aloo ka paratha just nearby to you. Subscribe for more trail secrets, baccarats, and the best bed-ridden adventures. I am Joy signing off from this vlog and possibly rolling off to my next location actually without my phone and camera. Just saying bye to you all. See ya on the next vlog.